Hi everyone, I am Mudit and today I'm not giving a motivational speech, so relax. I am here talking about a one subject which unexpectedly changed my software, not my laptops, mine. When we came here, we joined MBA, we thought we learn about finance, sales, marketing and operations. But then came the subject wisdom towards self-excellence. It changed my perspective, how I view my life. When Sir taught us enlightenment, I was like, Sir, I came here for placements, not enlightenment. But seriously, this subject hits different. One of the biggest realization for me was minding your thoughts. Sir explained to us that thoughts have frequency. I thought Sir has gone towards physics. Will he be teaching us physics? No. But when I think about it, we blame, we overthink, we complain. These all thoughts have some frequency. Basically, we blame the conditions when we sabotage ourselves. We blame the market conditions that it didn't went right. I also realized that I have done PhD in physics by analysis. What it is like I think about doing something too much that at last I wouldn't do it at all. So it gave me a perspective, a different view in which I started having positive thoughts. I tried to refine my thoughts and being more conscious about what I think and what I say. It helped me in overcoming my procrastination and basically it also helped me view the life with a different perspective. Turns out the biggest obstacle in my placement is not competition, it's my own negative thoughts. Then came Dharma and Karma. It was not a mythological classes. They were Dharma simply meant to me that do what is right, even when nobody is watching, especially when attendance is not compulsory. Karma made me realize that shortcuts might be attractive, but consequences are loyal. In an MBA journey, we can copy assignments, blame our teammates, manage the task, but you should think about it. And even I used to do that. Am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the right professional way that I wanted to become? And this small shift changed my view towards life. Karma is basically life's Google Drive, which says everything. Harmony was my favorite topic. I love the example of orchestra. In orchestra, there are different instruments and they play in a unique and aligned symphony. But when I think about it, my thoughts are not like an orchestra. They are more like an IPL auction in which there are different perspectives. Sooner or later realize that my thoughts and perspectives can be different, but we need to align these thoughts in a single and particular symphony to create a great tune. I realized harmony is a single symphony. We need to align my thoughts, my actions and my words in a single symphony. And to do that, before I would say my mind was peaceful and mental, but in my inner self I knew there was a WWE match going on inside my mind. But now, when I align my thoughts in a single symphony, I came to realize and feel my mind is more lighter and life is more confident. This subject made me ask really scary questions. What am I actually chasing? Money, power, time, or meaning? My life purpose was to have some professional growth, but not just professional growth, but growth as human. My human development, my inner self development. So my journey towards self-excellence is still going. It's an ongoing process. It's the beginning. I'm still procrastinating. I still sometimes delay my task. I am still forcing myself to beat the deadline. But beginning is the growing cycle. If you are beginning something, it means you are growing. Turns out self-excellence is not just about becoming someone else. It's about upgrading your inner self's version without losing the original software. Thank you.